What do you call a deer with no eyes? And no idea. Hi everybody, my name's Amanda and I'm kind of new here. So today, well yesterday, it was Saturday, my BoxyCharm came. And I thought I'd do something a little different. I mean, I'm mostly ready for the day. But I'm gonna try out stuff. And so, let's start with an unboxing. Bam. Okay, so very first thing everyone has noticed is they have changed the little card from a postcard size thing to a fold out. But so it gives us on this side it gives us the amounts of the products, but on this side it gives us the coupons. And you know, I love me a good coupon. I'm cheap. That's how I roll. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try on stuff now. All right, let me zoom you in. That's what I keep trying to do, and we'll get started. Okay, so first things first, we have the Tartiest Pro Glow. Guys, I have no idea how to use this bad boy. So, but it's in the color exposed, so we're gonna try it. It's a liquid highlighter. I've never used a liquid highlighter, but I do have blush and bronzer on, so I didn't put on any highlighter. What we're gonna do is right here, and I just use this so it's dirty, but it is still wet, so I apologize. We're gonna go ahead and tap it in with the brush. Oh, okay, maybe we'll use our fingers. We'll use 2 fingers. It sounds like I'm smacking myself in the face. That's awesome. Well, maybe that's a bit much. Holy heck, that was a bit much. So when you use this, guys, you don't need a lot. Now we gotta make it match on both sides. I have already started my eyes, by the way, with some Makeup Geek shadows. Creme Brulee is what I used to kind of set down everything, and then I used Bitten, I believe, as that pinky color. So we're gonna, yeah, that's new, but we're gonna keep trying this because why not? The next thing I forgot to use in the shower, but yeah. So anyway, this is the vacuum cleaner pore purifying mask. We'll do that later. I totally forgot to do that. This here is the lippy. In the color we don't know. In the color we're gonna guess as it's a nude. But here. Okay. We have the Brow Gal Instant Hair and Brown Hair. You know what? Guys, I need to actually find my helpers. Put it on. I already did my brows, not thinking about that, so just a moment. We will look for my tweezers. We'll open that in a minute. They're in the other room. Most important thing though we've got is the Golden State of Mind ColourPop Shadow. Bam. And this is the colors on the back. Guys, I I've already done my eyes with matte colors, so let's get to it. Like I said, I used 2 Makeup Geek colors in Bitten and in Creme Brulee. But these are the colors. I'm gonna... Yeah, there we go. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna actually pick one color and just put it on my, you know, lid. I'm having a day, I'm having a week. I can't remember words. So, but anyway, let's go with this one in the corner. And that is Tinker Time. I'm gonna put that on my lid. Wow. I like that, guys. I like it a lot. Alright, excuse me. So I'm also gonna highlight my inner corner with this white color in the middle. It's called Girlfriend. Because that looks beautiful. Oh, this is really pink. It's alright. So, okay guys, I totally forgot to use the Brow Gel instant tinted brow gel with microfibers. I don't think I used enough or shook it enough or did what I was supposed to do, but or maybe I just have too many freaking brows. I do need a wax. I also did a wing. I did a wing. Wait, and I used the Wet n Wild waterproof. But guys, I really like how this turned out today. Oh, okay, so time for the gratuitous selfie. Look at me. Yeah, so, okay guys, and remember, if you guys like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. You know, what kind of things would you guys like to see on here? We'll talk to you later. Bye.